For the empanada fillings, saute the garlic and onions. Next, add 1 chopped bell pepper. 1/4 kilo of ground pork. 1 box of raisins, any brand. 1/4 cup of green peas. 1 piece of carrot, diced. 2 pieces of potatoes, diced. Mix well. ½ teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder. 3 grams of garlic powder. Add a few drops of sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Also, add 1/4 cup of water, cover, and let it simmer. After simmering, just add 1 tablespoon of flour to prevent it from becoming watery. Turn off the heat and set it aside. 3 cups of flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/8 teaspoon salt and baking powder. Just mix it well using a wire whisk. Bar butter. Just mix it well. If you have an electric mixer, it's even better. Add 1 cup of water gradually to avoid adding too much. Knead it until smooth, around 10 to 15 minutes. Wrap it in plastic and let it rest for 10 minutes. Just cut it in half. Simply cut it into small portions, shape them into balls, and roll them out with a rolling pin. Just place the dough onto the empanada molder, add 1 teaspoon of filling, and fold it over, similar to this. It's ready to fry. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for frying. You can place the empanada when it floats, meaning it's almost cooked. When it's light brown, can it be removed too? Remove excess oil.